Hey all, this is Rajkannan again from Apter Institute presenting on how to sit and get up from the chair when you have low back pain. Too many people are suffering from acute and chronic low back pain nowadays, and the incidence of acute low back pain is alarmingly rising in the last decade. That means we are going to have more patients with chronic back pain in the near future. Majority of the back pain is mechanical in nature and it's more related to one's lifestyle. One persistent activity that we all do every day is sitting. Too many people are sitting for too many hours than ever in the history. Sitting became our job, and poor sitting posture is one of the predisposing factors for the low back pain. People in 20s and 30s, if they develop back pain, it is often due to poor habit of sitting than any other sinister pathology. It is true that many people in their 20s do get back pain nowadays. Given that poor sitting posture for long duration is a major reason for back pain, we have to educate on correct sitting posture, and we need to teach them how to sit and get up from the chair. If you are an active person who moves around all the day, then you don't have to worry about how you sit. But if your job requires only sitting, then at least you have to learn how to sit and get up, because if you sit in a poor posture, then the risk of getting back pain in the future increases. Firstly, I will demonstrate the bad sitting posture and the incorrect way of getting up from the chair. Most of the people sit in front of the chair and fill the gap by leaning backwards this way. This creates a flexion or a forward bending torque in the lumbar spine. If this posture is sustained for a long period of time, this creates abnormal stress to the muscles, ligaments and the disc. Though it might be comfortable for a few months to a few years, at some point the pain will get triggered. Even while getting up, people bend their spine like this and raise up. This adds up more stress to the back. When you observe, almost everybody get up from the chair like this and sit down like this. On an average, we sit and get up 40 to 50 times a day. In a week, 350 times, and in a month, 1400 times. Cumulatively, this number is large, and hence the style of sitting to standing and standing to sitting has to be done correctly in order to prevent everyday's miniature stress. Now, I will show you how to sit and get up without stressing the back. When you sit, you must sit straight by maintaining the natural curve of the back. This way, it is useful if you keep a small lumbar support like this or a towel roll, and you move behind the back of the chair. Keep the roll behind your back just above the belt line. Now, while getting up, slide yourself front and lean forward at your hip joint and raise up this way. While rising, maintain the erectness of the spine. While sitting down, again maintain the erectness of the spine. Keep your buttock winking and move backwards and take a support of the lumbar support and sit this way. And if you walk this way, then the stress on your back would be less. For old people, without an armrest, it will be difficult to get up. So it's better if you have an armrest so that they can take weight on the armrest and raise themselves up this way. The best posture is the next posture, but there is no next posture happening for the people who are working in the software industry. So it is recommended to get up and move around for every 2 hours to reduce the cumulative stress which is accumulating on their back. Even when you are sitting for a long time, every half an hour or so, you can elongate your spine like this and hold for 2 or 3 seconds, and then you can let go. Again, you can elongate this way and let it go this way. This will temporarily decompress the spine and reduce the pressure in the disc. If the sitting surface is too low and cushiony like your spongy sofas, the risk doubles. It is wise to sit on a hard surface chair like this with a proper backrest. In current scenario, it is hard to minimize the sitting duration, but at least the method of sitting and the type of sitting surface can be modified. I think it is so vital to follow this in the present world where everyone is sitting for too long. Practicing this will safeguard your back, and the possibility of future back pain can be prevented. Thanks for watching this video. We will catch up in the next video. Bye bye.